Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Franca and today I show you a really nice colorful look with my Natasha Denona palette, the Lila one. I really love those colors. Look at this. They look amazing. I did quite a few looks, but only with these neutral shades here. And this is really nice. But today I want to play a little bit more with colors and I decided to go with this amethyst color on my lower lash line. And if you're also excited and want to know which look I can get out of this, then just keep on watching. So this is the look I created. I will do it on this eye that you can really see what I did. It's so easy because these colors are amazing and they blend like a dream, and it's really easy to get this look. So what I did, I just put on this nude Vino in my crease. Then I put this color here, Cyclone, on my lid, and the color Amethyst on the lower lash line. And I think this is really wearable also for daytime. So let's do this together. I go on the color Vino and I take a Goss number 19 and then I apply it a little bit above my crease. And also blend it the whole crease like, yeah? Not only on the outside, blend it everywhere. So, like so. Then I go in with a little smaller brush, like this. It's number 20 from Goss, and I go in the color Nude Vino. I go in Nude Vino. Before I was in Nude Mauve. So this is a little bit deeper. And I just focus on the outside. So nice. And go again in the color Nude Mauve. And I blend this, and I blend it also a little bit up. So you don't need much effort, it's really nice. Then I go with my finger in this color here, Cyclone. Look at this. And I just dab it on my lid. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. This color is amazing. I never tried it before. I did so many neutral looks that I thought, oh, this may be too much for me, but oh, really good. I will do here also a little bit more. Okay, then I go with a brush like this, and I go in the color here, Juno, just to highlight a little bit my brow bone, bow bone, I don't know, and the inner corner. And then I go in with a small shader brush and I go in the color Amethyst. And I just draw a very fine line, but you can really see this color is so beautiful with green eyes, and with this combination, I think it's really beautiful. Whew. Oh, I really like this. I also really like this color here, but yeah, maybe I give a little bit of this also here on the part before. Oh yes. Okay, now I will just curl my lashes. Wait, I just blend a little bit more here. But you don't need much time. You see, this was like 2-3 minutes, and you have such a colorful, nice look. I will just curl my lashes and put on mascara, and then we see us. So guys, this is my finished look. I'm sorry I have to do a voiceover. I forgot to take the outro. Please subscribe and I hope you enjoyed the video.